On this Symphyotrichum cordifolium, the heartleaf aster, and his buddy next to him, I don't know who he is for sure. Beautiful though. I don't know if I mentioned before that these are really good shade asters. So if you have a space in your garden that doesn't get a lot of sun, this is a great plant. Lots of pollinators come through, bumblebees, butterflies, flies, all kinds of things. And it's drought tolerant. We haven't had any rain in weeks, and this plant still looks really nice, both of them. This might be Drummond's aster. That's what I was told, this white one. It's very nice, and I'm going to collect some seed from it this year and grow some more of it, whatever it is. I really like it. But this is heartleaf aster, blue wood aster. It's a really nice plant for the garden. It doesn't get too big. This one was not chopped. This wasn't Chelsea chopped, and it's about 3.5 feet tall. I have one at home in my garden that was chopped, and it's about 2.5 feet tall, but looks just as pretty. And it's even in more shade than this. So this gets a little bit of sun in the morning, but not now, you know. And look how beautiful it is. And it's been blooming since mid-September. This is mid-October. It just keeps going. Drought tolerant, deer resistant, good pollinator, grows in the shade. This is a great aster for your garden. Absolutely. And if I ever find out for sure what this guy is, if you have any ideas, leave me comments. I'd love to know what this is. It does not have a heart leaf. It's more of, I don't know if we can get the leaves. It's so dark. More of a lance-shaped leaf. But it's different than, I have some Aster lanceolata, and it's different than them. So I don't think it's that. So I don't know. If you're familiar with Drummond's aster, maybe you want to put a comment in and say, yes, this is it, or no, I don't think so. I really don't know. Look how pretty. It's beautiful. So grow some of these asters in your garden in the shade, and I guarantee you, you will not regret it. If I can get them a little more in focus. Just beautiful. Very, very nice aster.